Greetings and welcome. Today we are starting part 1 of our 18-part series of inspirational and practical quotes by Albert Einstein, recognized as one of the greatest scientists of the 20th century. Are you ready to be inspired by the words of Albert Einstein? He once said, "Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again but expecting different results." What Einstein meant by this quote is that if you continue to do the same thing repeatedly, but expect different outcomes, then that is a sign of insanity. In other words, if you want to achieve different results, you must change your approach and try something new. Think about it. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you keep repeating the same actions but getting the same negative results? Whether it's in your personal life or your professional career, doing the same thing over and over again will not lead to any positive changes. So, how can we apply this quote to our lives? It starts by recognizing the need for change and being open to trying new things. We can do this by stepping out of our comfort zones, taking risks, and being open to new ideas and perspectives. For example, let's say you are a salesperson who has been struggling to meet your sales targets. Instead of continuing with the same sales pitch and approach, try something new. Analyze your approach. Identify the areas where you can improve, and try a new approach that may lead to better results. This quote is relevant to people from all walks of life. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner. It is a reminder to be open to change and not to get stuck in old patterns that are not working. In summary, let us take inspiration from Albert Einstein's wise words and recognize the need for change. Let us be open to trying new things, stepping out of our comfort zones, and not getting stuck in old patterns. Remember, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again but expecting different results. This is the end of the video. Look out for part 2 of this 18-part series. Check out our website and YouTube channel for more series. We have Sun Tzu, Bruce Lee, and Steve Jobs. We have a vast library of sales tutorials for you too. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Buy us a coffee to help this channel to grow. Take care and have a great day.